Hey there, welcome back to eFishing. I'm Rodney, and today we're in the garage again. We've got another little project. Did y'all go watch the video on the cheap lure retriever on how to make it? Well, this little thing, I went to go try to find some of these bass casting sinkers. I haven't been able to find them. So, I went and I got one of these. It's the Bell Sinker from Do It Molds, and it goes from 1/8 all the way up to 2 ounces, which is what I like to use for this little plug knocker. So we're gonna make a few of these today. So hang on. And plus, it also, since it makes 1/8 and 1/4, we'll make a few of those because I like to use a Bell Sinker for drop shotting, because anytime I try to use one of them little wire snap things that come on dry, I end up breaking it or slinging it off or anything. So I generally like just to tie that thing on down there. Maybe somebody else has a different opinion on it, but that's what I do. Anyway, we're gonna make some plug knockers and some drop shot weights. So hang on. We got the lead pot. It's almost hot. We'll be right back. All right, folks, we're back here. We got our mold sitting on top of the lead pot, letting it warm up. We've got some #1 brass inserts here to go in there. And then when we're done making our deals here, our plug knockers, got these #3 fast lock snaps to put on. So let's get some of these out. That ought to be enough for what we're going to make today. And since we haven't really shot anything through this mold, so, you know, it goes from 1/8 up to 2 ounces. It's kind of interesting. It pours on both sides. How about that? All right, let's just pour a few through here and just warm this thing up. All right, there they are. We got them poured up. Oh, but that's hot. Look like they're going to be a little ornery to get out. They're going up around that insert piece there. I think it'll be all right. Let's pour a 2 ouncer and see what happens. So this one right here is the 2 ounce. Got our little insert. We'll stick it on there like so. Oops. Close this thing up. It snapped all right. Let's see what happens here. Well, there it is. Let's open it up, see what we got. We did it on the wrong one. Not used to that. All right, we've got our insert in on the 2 ounce one. So we're going to have to pour right here. So let's close that up. Make sure it snaps good. And let's see what we can do. Give it a second. How's that? that looks pretty good. Let's try the 1/8 ounce one. Which is right there. That one's a little harder to get the insert in. All right. Let's see what happens. A little hard to come out of the mold, but there it is. Looks all right. Let's find the 1/4 ounce one and try it. So, I believe this right here is the 1/4. So we're going to be pouring in that one right there. That looks all right. How about that? And it's even got a, I don't know if you can see it there, but it's got a 1/4 ounce stamped right on the side of it. Well, all right, folks, we have our drop shots and our plug knockers poured up here that we're going to do. We just did a few of each. We're going to try them out, but you just take your sprue cutters here and line the flat edge up like that right there, and just cut them suckers off. It gives you a nice clean edge on it. So we're just going to take care of all these real quick. So here's our plug knocker. Now it got a little, see if y'all can see that. Come out here in the sun. If you can see right here, it's got a little flash on it. To take care of that, you just take your sprue cutter and just lightly cut around that and cut that off. And that'll take care of it. And you can do that with any of your jigs. And then just take that and dump it back down in your lead pot. But yeah, we'll cut those things off there real quick like this. All right, so when these things cool down, we'll be back. I'm gonna finish cutting these off, so we'll be back here in a minute. All right, guys, here we are. I can hold them up here. We've got our plug knockers here that we got made up. About 5 of them. And we got our drop shots made up that we're going to try out. Now, granted, I ain't much of a drop shot fisherman, but I'm going to give it a try. So we got some weights. We got some plug knockers to get it unhung if we get it hung up. But anyways, I'm Rodney with eFishing. Hit that like button. Give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and leave a comment down there whether you liked it or not. I don't care. Just say something. But anyways, until next time, we'll see you out on the water. Trying to catch a few. We're out.